From the trading desk of Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming March 11th Forex session. In front of you is the Euro US dollar. And while this is a pair that I've not been too interested in lately, quite frankly, it suddenly has gotten very interesting. You can see that during the Monday session, we went back and forth. We really didn't do much. Let me go ahead and zoom in, a little easier to see. We had a shooting star on Friday, so the first thing you're thinking is sell, probably. But as I zoom out from not only the weekly but the monthly chart, and I will zoom way out, you can see that there is a significant downtrend line there, and you can also try, at least a little bit sloppy, but maybe make a case for a potential downward channel that had tried to form, or possibly a potential downward descending triangle. A little sloppy, but it's there. Remember, these are monthly candles, so they don't necessarily always line up pip to pip. You know, a trend line can be 80 pips thick on a monthly chart pretty quick. Nonetheless, though, the point of this is that we most certainly have a significant area that we are working with. And if I take the channel out, and I can say perhaps, maybe because we didn't go in there, and I'm looking at this descending triangle, if we fall from here, this doesn't look like much, but this is a 1200 pip move, potentially. But on the other hand, we could break out to the upside. And if we do, then a target of about 150 really isn't unrealistic. And in fact, that turns this into basically a huge rectangle from this point on, and that's the midline. That's where we're at, right in the middle. If you ever look at a rectangle, a 200 pip rectangle, 250 pip rectangle, you will almost always see there's like a little middle line where there's quote unquote fair value. Now, I am not placing a trade in this pair right now, but I am bringing this up because it is such an obviously important area to me. I think we will get a longer term signal soon. Now, let me go ahead and zoom in on the daily again. If we can get a daily close above this shooting star, insignificantly, maybe 30, 40 pips above it, I'm going to be long the euro dollar, and quite frankly, looking for a longer term move, perhaps to the aforementioned 150 area or so. If we break down, I want to see 138 in my rearview mirror. I want to see it beaten down pretty significantly. But at that point in time, we'd be talking a possible move back down to 128. So either way, we're looking at a large move. And these are the times in the Forex market that it pays to be very patient. You don't have to get the first 75 pips of a 1200 pip move. And that's the lesson in this video. Pay attention. We're about to see something happen. We just don't know what it is yet.